So how much is the temperature difference look to be? My project is called Bringing Math and Science to Life and Together, and I used the grant money to buy some digital sensors that collect live scientific data. 90% of the students were distinguished on the first implementation of the project, so it's off to a really good start. And my hope is that over time, the more we can integrate those into both math and science, it will give us some relevant numbers to use in math from science. I've really for a long time been seeking ways to get math and science together, and having that opportunity to bring information from science over to math and make it part of a math class is brought a lot of excitement to me to meet that goal that I've been pursuing for a long time. It's great seeing these young kids doing work that feels and looks very real and very official using these digital sensors and things. When I think back to the activities we did before and then just the level we've been able to raise them to with this new equipment, it just makes class so much more exciting and so much more engaging, to have the real equipment and the kids feel like they're doing real science and, real work, and it's been wonderful.